Hey, let me show you a few tips how you can fix Wi-Fi problems on the Samsung Z Fold 8. So first of all, let's start from opening the settings. Let's go for the connections and then go for the Wi-Fi. And now let's say that sometimes your Wi-Fi network switch automatically, or for example, it's turning off Wi-Fi and go for the mobile network. To avoid this, you will have to click on the three dots, go for the intelligent Wi-Fi and turn off those options, switch to the mobile data and also switch to better Wi-Fi networks. So this is the first tip. But what if, for example, you cannot connect to the Wi-Fi or you got unstable connection? So the first thing that I can highly recommend you is to go all the way down into the general management. Right now scroll for the reset option and simply reset the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth settings. So it's going to restore, all of those default setup on this smartphone. Often it solves a lot of problems. You can also try to update software, because when the problem appears, and it's not only problem with your specific device, but for example, for even region. So Samsung often release some updates. So it's highly recommended to check for the update. And if available, like in my case, you have to just get it on your phone. And here, as you can see, what we can find, a short description. These changes may vary depending on the model, country, or network operators. We can actually find some security update. So try it definitely. You can also try to simply go for their simple restart option. So by going here, you will have to tap on this icon and click restart. Often this simple reboot also solve a lot of problems, but you will have to also remember about one thing. So sometimes the problem is with the airplane mode. So take a look. If the airplane mode is enabled, it will automatically turn off the Wi-Fi. So just keep in mind to turn off the airplane mode. And this is honestly all my tips that I can give you. Let me know if it works. Hope you find it useful.